If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle with both performance and style, a ceramic window tint is the way to go. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 ceramic window tint products on Amazon. We begin with MotoShield Pro Premium Nano-Ceramic Tint, a top-tier choice for drivers who want serious heat rejection and a sleek finish. MotoShield Pro offers a wide range of visible light transmission levels, from as light as 75% to as dark as 5%, making it suitable for everything from full visibility to deep privacy. What sets this product apart is its professional-grade nano-ceramic film, which blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays and infrared heat. That means a cooler cabin, reduced strain on your air conditioning, and long-term protection for your interior materials. The film also offers exceptional optical clarity and doesn't interfere with GPS, mobile signals, or radio frequency, making it a practical option for modern vehicles. Its flexibility and shrinkability make it relatively easy to install, even on curved windows, though it's favored by professionals due to its premium quality. Next is the Hall of Fame Detail Choice Ceramic Tint Kit, an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts. This product stands out because it comes as a pre-cut kit tailored to your specific vehicle make and model, which eliminates the hassle of measuring and trimming. It's designed with a nano-ceramic composition that offers robust UV protection and effective heat reduction while maintaining clear visibility from the inside. Many users report noticeably cooler interior temperatures and reduced glare after installation. The tint also resists bubbling, peeling, and fading over time, common issues with lower-grade films. Hall of Fame. Detail Choice makes the process accessible for first-time installers while delivering professional-looking results. If you're looking for a balance of performance, ease of use, and cost efficiency, this tint kit is a solid investment. The third product on our list is the ARANA Nano-Ceramic Window Tint Roll. This product has gained popularity among DIYers for its combination of quality, performance, and price. Available in various VLT levels like 5%, 20%, 35%, and 50%, it offers flexibility depending on your local tint laws and personal preference. ARANA's film is designed to block up to 99% of UV rays and a significant amount of infrared heat. The material is scratch-resistant, tear-resistant, and works well with both heat guns and standard tools. What users appreciate most is its effectiveness in reducing cabin temperature and glare, making long drives more comfortable. Whether you're applying tint to a car, truck, or SUV, this roll provides enough coverage for most windows and delivers high-end performance at a fraction of the cost of professional films. Moving on to the SW Nano Ceramic Window Tint. This film is a great choice for those who want superior clarity with reliable protection. It's often used on front-side windows or full windshields due to its higher VLT offerings like 70% or even 80%. While these tints aren't designed for privacy, they do an excellent job of blocking harmful UV rays and reducing solar heat. The film is lightweight, flexible, and surprisingly easy to work with. SW's ceramic material won't interfere with electronics, and the film has strong adhesive backing to prevent bubbles or premature peeling. Drivers who value visibility at night while still benefiting from thermal rejection often choose this option. It's also ideal for regions where darker tints may be restricted by law, but protection and comfort are still priorities. Finally, we have the PAMAGOO Nano-Ceramic Window Tint Roll, which offers solid protection and stylish aesthetics at a budget-friendly price. This 5-layer nano-ceramic film is available in several VLTs and features UV and infrared blocking capabilities that rival more expensive brands. The film includes a scratch-resistant coating and comes in large rolls that can cover multiple windows or vehicles. PAMAGOO is a favorite for cost-conscious users who want better thermal control and UV shielding without overspending. Installation is straightforward, and customer feedback highlights how effective it is at keeping car interiors cool, even under direct sunlight. If you're upgrading on a budget, this film offers an affordable entry into the world of ceramic window tints without sacrificing key benefits.